What's going on, guys? So today's video is a bit separate from our regular posting schedule. We're actually here to announce the next giveaway. If you guys follow on Instagram, you've seen that I've been doing a few polls to see what kind of item you guys might want. So essentially, I've been letting you guys pick what your prize is going to be, and the overwhelming choice has been an NRG bucket seat. So that's what we're going to give away. Once we have a winner, I will pay the invoice off for NRG and have the seat shipped out to you, kind of the same way I did with the Chase Base handbrake giveaway. One difference for this giveaway though is that it is going to be a raffle style instead of the traditional likes and subscribes that I've been doing. Now, when I originally planned out this giveaway, it was still going to be a raffle style, and all the sales were going to go towards funding more giveaway items, and then kind of helping with the channel and getting some more projects or stuff for the projects. However, I've had a series of unfortunate events lately. If you have videos not up yet, then you guys are kind of getting a sneak peek, but we've had a catastrophic issue with the 2JZ. So that's kind of got to get addressed. But more importantly, I got some news about my mom, and she has to have surgery, and her insurance isn't covering it now. Now, this isn't some life or death surgery. She's going to be okay without the surgery. It's just kind of a livelihood matter. So this time, instead of going to fund, the projects and the next giveaway item, which there's still going to be a next giveaway item. So there's still going to be a giveaway item for the next giveaway. I'm still going to keep doing giveaways. It's just I'm going to be paying out of pocket again for the next one as well. But this time, all sticker sales will go towards paying for my mom's surgery. Now, she doesn't have some life-threatening condition. She's gonna be all right, and she has insurance. It's just that insurance isn't covering all of this surgery, and without the surgery, she's losing her eyesight pretty rapidly. All we're trying to do is just cover what insurance isn't going to cover for the surgery. It's not a threat to her life, it's just a threat to her livelihood. She already lost her ability to drive and get around on her own, and she's becoming more and more dependent on the people around her. And being in the military, I don't live near my mom anymore, so I can't be there to help her day to day. So this is me asking all of you to help me help my mom and also get something in return. Now, I don't want to ask you guys for your money without you getting something in return. So this time for this giveaway, we're raffling off our stickers and our decal. So we have our Shitbox Racing sticker. This one, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me kind of tease it before. Got some pretty good interest off of this one. It's just a regular slap sticker. To give you an idea of the size, I'm about 6'4", and this covers a pretty good amount of my hand. And then if you don't want the slap, or you want something to put on your car as well, if you're really, really proud of your shitbox like I am, we also have a vinyl decal. And this vinyl decal looks something like what you see here on my helmet. In fact, it's not something like this, it looks exactly like this because this is the same decal. So that's kind of another option. So each of those will be $5 a piece. Each one you buy, you get a raffle number. That raffle number will be on your invoice. If you buy more than one thing or you get more than one entries, I'll just add multiple raffle numbers into your invoice, and then we'll draw at the end of the giveaway when we're picking a winner. Now, if you're really, really, really feeling generous and you just a really decent human and you want to help someone out who deserves it, being my mom, we also have a few more of our Corn Hub shirts. This one says E85 twin turbo in the search bar. We've got another one that says Mustang Clouds crowd in the search bar. This is a pretty popular shirt. When I'm out about, I'll wear it out sometimes, and without fail, someone always comes up to me and asks about it, or you know, gets a chuckle out of it. So we also have these shirts available, and they are going to be $20 a piece, and that will get you 4 entries. So for those of you who are like me and terrible at math, basically every $5 you spend gets you an entry into the giveaway. And of course, the more entries you have, the higher your chances of winning become. And lastly, if we have enough support and enough buy-in and interest in this giveaway or the raffles, and we get a lot of orders, we sell out of the stuff we have right now, I'll start adding in additional prizes. So not only do you get, you know, the sticker, the decal, or the shirt, you also have the chance to win a NRG bucket seat. And even if you win, the bucket seat doesn't exclude you from winning any of the additional prizes. So you also have the chance to win, say, a Draggy GPS system, the brand new Chase-based fuel pressure regulator. Just something to kind of help keep the interest going and really show my gratitude to you guys, not only for helping me out in this time of need for my mom, but also just to say thank you guys for supporting me. And it's been a blast for me to be able to kind of show my passion for cars to you guys as an audience, and then hear your input and your feedback and the comments you guys leave on the videos or the messages you send on Instagram. It all means a lot to me, and it means a lot to Corey and a lot of the people here who you don't see on camera but are a big part of this. So again, next giveaway, the main prize is an NRG bucket seat. We're doing a raffle style slap sticker, vinyl decal, or one of our t-shirts. $5 for both of these, $20 for the t-shirt. Every $5 you spend gets you one ticket or one entry. 100% of the sales are going to go to paying for my mom's surgery. And of course, that's not going to stop future giveaways. I'm just going to be paying out of pocket again for the next giveaway prize is all. Well, I guess that's it for today. Thanks guys, I really appreciate it.